Good day, everyone. We're still in our agricultural engineering concepts. The other time, I told us there are emerging issues. There are new areas, new developing areas in agriculture and agricultural practices as a result of the engineering we have put into it. So, emerging issues. Issues in agriculture. These issues are emerging as a result of growth in technology, as I told us, growth in activities, research activities, and so on. And we have talked, and the first thing we talked about there is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture. PA. That is the first we talked about. Today we are going to talk about the second one. Number 2, artificial. Artificial intelligence. AI. Artificial intelligence in agriculture. God created man and bestowed him with an intelligence like him, because he created man in his image and likeness. And that intelligence God created man with enables the man to take right decisions. To take decisions, to do this or to do that in the right way, in the right manner, to get a good result. And man has been doing that. But as a result of researches, there are some things man cannot do in agriculture by himself. Or when he starts it, it will take him donkey years to accomplish. Then man started thinking, how do I do this faster? How can I do this? And that thing will be able to do it as if it's a human being doing it. So man started thinking, machines, objects were raised to be doing some activities by the use of sensors and electronic applications. So that is how this thing came about, artificial intelligence. There is an intelligence, but it is artificial, it's not natural. So you put it in the field of agriculture. So this has some goals. The goals of artificial intelligence include the first one, artificial intelligence, to replicate the human intelligence. To replicate human intelligence, which into machines that can do work, into machines or equipment, so that they will be able to solve problems, to do work. To replicate human intelligence in machines. That's the first goal in artificial intelligence. So when you replicate that, machines will be doing work like human beings, or where human beings cannot reach, they will reach there and do it. So we are talking of artificial intelligence in agriculture. This artificial intelligence has also gone into military. You can use artificial intelligence. In medicine, you can use artificial intelligence. In many areas that there are human activities, artificial intelligence can be used or has some applications, but we are concerned with in agriculture. Then the second goal is this: to solve knowledge intensive problems. or tasks to solve knowledge intensive there are some tasks that are knowledge intensive. That's when you are doing this, you abandon it. After this stage, you go to this stage. After this stage, you go to this stage, this and that. And as a human being, after doing it, you will be, you may even collapse in doing it. You'll be worn out. So one creates or solving knowledge intensive tasks help to accomplish by the use of artificial intelligence, because it will behave, those machines will behave like human beings, or by the use of your sensors you control activities, you control the things you should do physically. Artificial intelligence will do it for you. Then the third goal is to connect intelligent perception and action. To connect intelligent perception and action. To connect intelligent perception and action. So it perceives, oh, look at this should be done, this, that. Then what follows? After perceiving that, action follows to carry out that task, to carry out that action, activity, so that there will be no gap created, there will be nothing missing. So that is one of the goals. Then, lastly, number 4, or the last goal we want to talk about, to create machines that show intelligent behavior on their own and advise the user. To create machines that can have intelligence of their own, that will show just an intelligent behavior, that can show intelligent behavior and advise the user. Yes, this is another goal, the fourth goal we are talking about today. To create machines that can show intelligent behavior and advise the user. This is very, very important, because when you are starting something, there should be increase with time. You progress with time, you develop with time. The level that artificial intelligence now is good, but the increase, there is still an area, there is still focus, there is still zeal to increase the level now. And that level to the machines that will show intelligence behavior, when they see an obstacle, when they see a problem, they will stop action and report back to the user of that machine, that there is something here, there is something here, based on the signal they will show. So that is and this, they call this, the experts call this super artificial intelligence. Super, because it is different from the ordinary. Ordinary one may have a hitch and stop, because the intelligence is artificial to stop. But this one, that when it sees an obstacle, it will reflect back. It shows, gives advice to the user, so that the user will know what to do. So, in summary, That's the small we have to talk about artificial intelligence in agriculture. Now, there are machines that can harvest crops. There are machines that can do sorting. There are machines that can apply fertilizer by themselves when keyed in, when advised to do so, and so on and so forth. And by so doing, productivity, as we have been talking in the precision agriculture, will increase, sustainability will be there in order to feed the numerous mouths, because population is growing geometrically, the population of the world, so that the food will be there always for the many mouths. Thank you.